Okay, this is a repair video. I used to have this. I believe this was the amp I was using when I had posted my first coffee cup trick. It was with this and a Clarion 15, and it pumped pretty damn hard, I'll tell you. Its whole life I had it strapped to a box, which was pretty brutal. It rattled a lot. And I ended up, I can't remember how, but my brother ended up with it. And as you can see, 2 capacitors come off. So my mission is to take these 3 and these 2 and this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and see how hard this is going to be to lift out. Should be pretty easy. None of these are swollen. The MOSFETs all look good. I won't know till I get the heat sink off them. But yeah. Wish I had a tripod, but I don't. So I'll do a part 2. Thumbs up or appreciated. Peace.